This is our first camping trip, and we went to Lake Roosevelt, just outside of Phoenix. We bought a bunch of stuff from Amazon and Walmart, like the ice chest, the tent, sleeping bags, table, chairs, cookware, gas stove. Essentially it was just a test run of all the equipment we have, and to see how it works and what works, what doesn't work.
Well, this one will just be, they don't all have to be pecan.
Right.
My knees are hurting.
The big one you couldn't buy when I was
Are you videotaping?
Yeah, the guy with the crazy beard, that's me.
You okay?
In case you pay attention, we even had a wardrobe malfunction. Here we are cooking some dinner, some okra. Our friend Jonate is making some beef for burritos, and we're just having a good time. No. We have one, but it's in the garage. It's a tiny one. Hope he doesn't even.
At least I can bring the car out here. Just up Hayden can bring the little outlet.
Mm-hmm.
Nathan's over at house, by the way.
Why?
Yeah, I just text her. She text back.
How do you know it's Nathan?
Because Haley said Nathan came over.
Oh,
He's my little
yeah, no, spy.
eyes and ears.
But why?
My phone takes some pictures.
Yes, there it is. The Green Goblin. My Jeep Gladiator.
But we're going to sit down.
Mm-hmm.
Take a picture.
Oh, he's trying to make fun.
It's 7:30.
Is that when old people go to bed?
Yeah.
My who? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
That's because you put more wood on it. Back up by the smoke, Julie.
Yeah, the smoke is 30 seconds. I gotta show it to Haley. She'll love that. She's gonna love that. So yeah, we'll go to Universal. And we'll go behind the scenes. I'll start looking into all that stuff because Haley wants to do behind the scenes and talk to directors and stuff like that. That's what you do in that behind the scenes. You talk to the people on set. If they're filming on set, they'll talk to you and stuff.
That's what
And she'll love that. She'll love that. You guys will love that. So.
As you know, I love going behind the scenes.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I could probably talk to somebody if I can have a crew shot.
Yeah, we'll talk to somebody. I got some Snuggies on. I got 2 shirts and a sweatshirt. I got those thick socks here. I got look these are my camp shoes. See my camp shoes? What's he doing? My camp shoes. See my camp shoes? My camp shoes.
Fluffy ones?
My fluffy ones. These are the camp ones. They got the sole
You
on.
didn't bring your sheeps?
These are the ones I paid like $40 for. That's why. Bougie.
Still on. And Ukraine wasn't happy with that, so Ukraine started attacking Russian-speaking people in Donetsk.
Sure.
Here it is.
I mean, if I ever post it somewhere, we'll have a voiceover. Don't worry. So you can freely speak.
I'm good.
Your speech will never make it online. Plus, you're hiding behind your son, so you're even on it.
Might be on the mix.
Beautiful morning at the lake. Time for some coffee. It is the next morning. Time to wake up and make some breakfast. And don't we know it? It's hard to beat the smell of fresh brewed coffee in the morning. Beautiful morning, 34 degrees, hot coffee.
It's a double punch.
Just cooking some chorizo with eggs for breakfast burritos. Delicious.
And that's the thing I like with Brian and Jackie. She would take it. She may be a kid person. She'll take it.
And this is the end of our little shakedown run. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go down in the comment section and go crazy. Have fun.